Hi, I'm Todd with Sparling Construction. I'd like to address on this clip here what you can expect with Sparling Construction when you decide to give us a phone call. And I think, of course, if you do, it'll be one of the best decisions that you will have made. But what people just want to know, what can I expect when I actually call a contractor, in this case, Sparling Construction? Well, with Sparling Construction, we've been in business since 1978. Doing things like remodel, building homes, anything that you can think of to relate to your home or business. We're also a full service general contractor, so pretty much anything you can think of we're able to do on, again, your home or business. But 33 years of experience to date, of being able to pretty much handle almost anything that you pretty much throw at our feet. What needs to be done usually can be done. So the process, though, all the systems are in place, which is nice. But first would be when you make a phone call, that our office manager would actually take your call, set up an appointment for us to actually meet with you. And then that would be me that would come out and talk with you about what you're wanting to do, per what you're wanting to do, not what I'm wanting, but what you're wanting. And try to address design issues or concerns you have, cost issues or concerns you might have, when we could start, how long the project could take. All those things will be discussed when you meet with me. From there, if you decide that it makes sense and we decide to, it makes sense and it looks like we're developing a partnership, then we move forward into the design phase. And with design, that is so crucial, so important. We use the latest technology of Chief Architect, virtual tour basically, that shows you everything that goes on in your home or business, and you'll know beyond a shadow of a doubt what this thing is going to look like. Our designer is very experienced, very talented, and you'll enjoy the process to whatever degree that you want to be involved in. From there, once we get the design done and approved by you, then we move into the estimating phase. In the estimating phase, I don't know if anybody's better and more detailed than Sparling Construction when it comes to our estimates. We put in a ton of time making certain that we do the due diligence, we dot the I's, cross the T's, and get as much information as we possibly need so that we're not apart at the end. And you'll thank us for it as well, but it just also helps the project run a whole lot smoother when all that has been collected and presented up front. It's almost like you push the button and remodeling made easy, even though it's not. A lot of times we make it appear like it is because so much work went into the front side of things. Then from there, we schedule your project, and we usually do it by date signed so no one can get in front of you. It's the fairest way possible that we can think. We do our scheduling every week. And then we would set up our pre-construction meeting, which is very critical to do. I could not imagine starting a project with remodel or build without having that pre-construction meeting. That meeting is held at your place with you present, and it would be me directing or facilitating the meeting with our project manager, our lead carpenter and carpenter team, and we have several teams, of course, but and then it would be our subcontractors that need to be there as well. What we want to do is make certain that we follow as per plan, the design, the estimate of what's being done, bring them up to par because they haven't been involved in the process as to this point, so that everybody is running when they hit your project, knowing what they need to do, exactly what rooms that are being built or remodeled. Accountability is set at that point in time. You're just not a name on a piece of paper, and proper inductions are made. It's just a neat system to have in place. From there, of course, then we move forward again with production, and we keep clean job sites. It's something that we pride ourselves on. Communication is so important. Daily communication really is what needs to take place, whether on the site or with our project manager. And then how we work our billing is basically every 2 weeks. We just need to keep the cash flowing and taking care of, stay on top of costs. But we don't final bill until we do a final punch list. And once that final punch list is done, then that last 2 to 5% is billed to you. That way we never hear from a homeowner, well, you sent me a final bill, but you didn't take care of this or this. So it's not rocket science. It's just straightforward approach to customer service, which again is so important to us. We want to make certain that you have enjoyed your remodel, your build from start to finish. Don't get me wrong, you'll be glad to see us go, but you'll love what we've done. But trust that you'll find this clip informational, and that you'll also check out the other areas of our website too, and hope you enjoyed it. Thanks a lot, and have a great